If your car has logo flip camera, you should buy a backup camera converter adapter box that you can find it in the video description below. Here is the black cable, which is the ground, the yellow one, and the brown one, which is the reverse cable, and it has also a CAN bus decoder, so you have to connect the cable to the decoder. And this harness, it will connect to the harness from the car, that one, that black one, only if you have a rear view camera. So connect the blue wire from the antenna to the blue wire from the power harness. To connect those two, splice those two together. And then we connect the black wire from the backup camera adapter box, the ground one, to the black cable from the power harness. So connect the black wire from the backup camera adapter box to the black cable from the power harness. Then connect the yellow and brown wires from the backup camera adapter box to the brown cable from the CAN bus decoder. Count the cables from the right to the left from the decoder, and the fourth cable, which is the brown one, here. And connect those two cables to that brown cable from the backup camera adapter box. Then connect the yellow cable from the backup camera adapter box to the cam cable, the cable from the rear view camera. Here it is. So connect those two together, the yellow one to that yellow cable. Don't forget to use tape to insulate the wires. And then we connect all the cables from the car radio to the car. Connect the backup camera adapter box cable to the rear view camera cable, and then connect the power harness cable. And then put all the cables inside the center console. Let's see how it's working. So let's test the rear view camera. So we put in the rear to see if it's working. So you can see it's working very well. Now you can see much better from this angle. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.